Welcome to ClearTask. In this video, I will show you how to quickly set up and use Soundpad. Let's get right into it. First, open the Soundpad application. You will be greeted by the main interface. To start adding your custom audios, go to the top left corner and click on the File option. From the drop-down menu, select Add Sound Files. Browse your computer, select the audio files you want to import, and open them. They will immediately appear in your sound list ready to be played. Once your files are imported, you can assign hotkeys so you can trigger them easily while in-game or talking on voice chat. Simply right-click on any sound in your list, choose the hotkey option, and assign a key combination that works best for you. Next, you will want to configure your microphone and playback levels. Go to the File menu again and click on Preferences. Inside the Preferences window, navigate to the Audio tab. Here, you can adjust your voice volume, measure your microphone level, and set up your push-to-talk delays or voice activation. There are many other advanced features available in this section to optimize your audio experience. Take a moment to adjust these settings to perfectly fit your microphone setup. That is the basic setup to get you started with Soundpad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.